Worried about handing your financial data over to just any app? Let's dive deep into Albert and figure out if it's a safe place for your money. First, let's address security. Albert uses industry-standard encryption, like 256-bit SSL, to protect your data while it's being transmitted. Think of it as a super strong lock on your financial information. They also use multi-factor authentication, meaning you need more than just a password to access your account, providing an extra layer of security. What are other users saying? User reviews are a mixed bag. You'll find plenty of people who love the app's automated savings and investment features, but, like with any financial app, some users have reported issues with customer service response times or unexpected fees. Take everything with a grain of salt and look for recurring themes. Now, let's talk about regulation. Albert is a registered investment advisor with the Securities and Exchange Commission (SEC). This means they are legally obligated to act in your best interest. Plus, the funds in your Albert cash account are FDIC insured up to $250,000, providing protection in case of bank failure. Consider what you need from a financial app. If you're looking for automated savings and basic investing, Albert might be a good fit. However, if you prefer more control over your investments or need extensive financial planning, you might explore other options. Ultimately, the decision of whether or not to use Albert is a personal one. Weigh the security measures, user reviews, and regulatory compliance against your own financial needs and risk tolerance. Before you make any decisions, always read the fine print, compare Albert to other apps, and don't hesitate to contact Albert's customer support with any specific questions or concerns. And remember to stay tuned for more app reviews to make the best decision.